Today we're taking a close look at the Haylou RS5, a budget-friendly smartwatch that promises solid fitness tracking and smart features without breaking the bank. With a sleek design, a bright AMOLED display, and a variety of health monitoring tools. Now the question is, does this watch deliver enough to compete in the crowded budget smartwatch market? Stick around and I will share to you all the details. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. First, let's start with the unboxing experience. The Haylou RS5 comes in clean, understated packaging that focuses on practicality rather than unnecessary flair. Inside, you'll find the watch snugly secured, along with an additional braided strap for customization, a magnetic charging cable for hassle-free power-ups, and a concise quick start guide to get you going. While the packaging leans toward minimalism to keep costs in check, everything feels thoughtfully arranged and well protected, proof that simplicity doesn't have to sacrifice quality. Moving on to the display, the Haylou RS5 impresses with a sleek, lightweight design centered around a crisp 2.0 1-inch AMOLED screen. The 60Hz refresh rate ensures smooth interactions, while the vibrant colors and sharp details make every glance a pleasure. Thanks to its 500 nits peak brightness, the display stays perfectly legible even under harsh sunlight. The watch's aircraft-grade aluminum frame adds a touch of premium durability, while the soft silicone strap keeps it comfortable for all-day wear and intense workouts. At just 10.5mm thick and weighing a mere 51 grams, it feels almost weightless on the wrist, striking a perfect balance between style and comfort. When it comes to fitness tracking, the Haylou RS5 delivers a comprehensive experience, with support for over 150 workout modes, ranging from running and hiking to skiing and beyond. It caters to both indoor and outdoor enthusiasts. Its IP68 dust and water resistance ensures durability, whether you're sweating it out in the gym or braving the elements on a trail. The built-in GPS provides precise tracking for outdoor activities, mapping your routes with accuracy. Beyond workouts, the watch excels in 24/7 health management. It continuously monitors heart rate and blood oxygen, SpO2, while also offering stress tracking and even emotion detection for deeper wellness insights. Female health tracking adds another layer of personalization, making it a well-rounded companion for daily health needs. Sleep tracking is equally thorough, analyzing rest cycles with detailed breakdowns of light sleep, deep sleep, random eye movement, and awake stages, helping you optimize recovery. Despite its affordable price tag, the Haylou RS5 delivers a surprisingly robust smartwatch experience. It handles basic smartphone functions with ease, allowing you to answer calls directly from your wrist thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker. You'll also receive message notifications, music playback controls, and real-time weather updates, handy features for daily convenience. One notable limitation is the inability to reply to messages directly from the watch, which might be a deal-breaker for some users. Where the RS5 really shines is in its playful extras. The inclusion of built-in games adds a fun, unexpected twist that sets it apart from typical budget wearables. This clever touch demonstrates Haylou's effort to deliver more than just the basics, making the watch feel like a well-rounded companion rather than just a fitness tracker with smart features. The Haylou RS5 delivers reliable battery performance with its 300 mAh capacity, offering up to 9 days of typical use or an extended 15 days in power-saving mode. The convenient magnetic charging dock provides quick power-ups, reaching full charge in approximately 2 hours. For personalization and enhanced functionality, users can download the Haylou Fun Companion app, which offers various customization options. The watch maintains broad compatibility, working seamlessly with both iOS and Android smartphones for versatile connectivity. So, is the Haylou RS5 worth your consideration? For budget-conscious buyers seeking a fitness watch with a vibrant AMOLED display, reliable battery life, and essential smart functionality, it stands out as an impressive option. While it doesn't match the sophistication of premium wearables, its price of around 3,000 pesos makes it a compelling value proposition. The bright, crisp display, lightweight comfort, comprehensive health tracking, and useful features like call support and 150 sports modes make it ideal for fitness-focused users. That said, if advanced smart capabilities such as message replies are a priority, you may need to explore higher-end alternatives. But for those who want a stylish, feature-packed fitness companion at an accessible price point, the Haylou RS5 delivers where it counts. Ready to make it yours? Check the link in the description below for purchase details. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Haylou RS5 smartwatch. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!